Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Thank you for choosing Doppler Phascan. We suggest resetting configuration, then setting up new groups before a different inspection. Let's follow the wizard step by step. A group can be used for an individual inspection, also could be combined with other groups for simultaneous scan. Select the wedge type and then thickness of the specimen. Select inspected material. For those unlisted, please input the velocity manually. In this video, we're doing phase array setups. Select P8. Next, transmit and receive mode. PE is mostly used. Next, probe selection. Select either standard one or user-defined one. Now we can choose existing standard probes accordingly. This is the one. Here's a specification of Doppler phase array probe model name. Usually, only need to provide frequency, array type, number of element, pitch, and elevation, 5 parameters. We will know what you are asking for. How to define non-standard probes. This dialog box will be found under Probe Selection menu. Please input parameters accordingly. A specification paper will be attached in Doppler's retail package. Please pay attention to the model name here. The model name could be anything by input, but we strongly suggest users to follow the model name in specification paper to avoid confusion. Save and close. Next, wedge selection, and let's find out which one we are using. Here is a specification of Doppler wedge model name. Wedge parameter specification will be attached in every Doppler wedge retail package. These two figures show the meaning of every parameter. Coming up, how to define wedges. This dialog box will be found under Wedge Selection menu. Please input the parameters accordingly. We strongly suggest users to follow the model name in specification paper to avoid confusion. Save and then close. We use default setting here. Nothing's changed, and go on to the focal log setting. To perform a calibration coming up, we select a sector scan, true depth, and shear wave. Next, focal depth. We set a proper value according to the thickness of specimen, and then element setting. Here we would like to use all 32 elements of probe. Next, pin angles. Minimum and maximum angles are related to the rated angle on wedge. Next, generate. We complete.
Audio Jungle.